Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife Kara.
Hello.
And today we got something really exciting again, and we actually got a couple packages, and this is gonna be great. But first, we got so many packages. Okay, first up, Big Red sent us some stickers. Thank you, Big Red. We got your bracelet on, and he also sent us a present, which is so awesome. I've actually already unboxed this thing.
Wait, how do you say his name?
Big Red. So I've already actually messed with this thing a little bit. I tuned it up just a little bit. I didn't do a full sharpening on it, but man, this thing's gonna be a laser. Thank you, Big Red. This thing is so awesome.
What is it? Do you know what it is?
Sorry guys. It's a Bushmaster, and it's a slip joint. Excuse me. It's really badass. The wood on it is, it's real wood. We'll probably put, I don't know if he did anything to it because it feels so smooth. But I don't know if we're gonna just keep it and not mess with it, or if we want to customize it. I don't know yet.
I want to use it.
Well, yeah, for sure we're gonna use it. But if I gave somebody a knife and I seen it the next time and it was all different and theirs, and I would love that. You know, it just tells me that you like it and that you're using it. So thanks, Big Red. We really appreciate this. This was very badass, and we're gonna have our sticker board done soon. You guys will see more on that in the future. All right, we're gonna get to this one first. We have a couple of them. This is from Acuminous Edge again, who sent us the Microtech that we have not done the video on because we've been waiting for these two packages to do this. And this still isn't the video. This is just another unboxing for the badass video that's going to be coming up in the future. So let's get to this thing.
Wait!
I can't use this knife.
Wait.
What?
Don't do it yet.
What is your deal?
I love you.
I love you, baby.
Wait. No, for real.
You're messing with me. What? What?
Stop. I love you. I really
love you too. I love you too, baby. Alright. She did that on purpose.
I wanted to cut it. What's going on?
Well, you get the next one.
You didn't even get through the tape.
Because I'm trying to be gentle. I don't know what's in there. Well,
you know what's in there.
Yeah, but not really though, because I don't know what's
I do.
Do you?
I get to do this part.
Damn it.
Want some coffee?
This is gonna be so awesome. Ooh, it's in the package. Okay, I should have nothing else in there. Come on. What's that? Oh, check that out. It's a little micro. It's a little micro.
Same thing as this.
It's a Microtech piece. Woohoo! Come on. It's tight.
Don't touch it.
I'm gonna fuck you up. Oh, it's a Microtech pouch. I see now. That's
this
awesome.
is cool. Look at the inside.
Another
There's another, but it's Velcroed on here.
That is awesome.
I thought that was supposed to come off.
Well, I'm sure it goes right back on. All right, come on. That is an awesome pouch, a Microtech. Wow, it's got a signature on it. Thank you.
Wow, you didn't even say no. You go ahead. No courtesy.
Baby, you go ahead.
No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Go ahead.
All right. This is.
It's the caviar.
It's the
caviar.
Stingray.
Caviar.
The Stingray. This
but it
custom
looks
one.
like caviar.
Hold on, guys. Oh my God, that is such different action than the other one. Oh my God, I thought the other one had the.
Come on. That was one flick too many.
That is so badass. Pick it up a little bit, baby, so I can see it. That's so different. Completely different than this one.
Ooh.
So different. This one's on
it's
bearings.
It's
this one's on
looser
bearings.
feeling.
Let me see
more. I got one flick.
I just want to look at the pivot. I think it's bearings. Just go ahead.
No, it doesn't look like it.
I bet
it looks like washers.
I don't think so.
Wow.
They make them in all different
sizes. Ooh,
sizes.
that aluminum is so powerful.
I'm sure you guys know. I don't know if you guys know because I don't know who's watching this or when watching it, but these come in all different types of configurations, and he's the man. Acuminous Edge is literally the man.
Did you even say that he was the one that gave this to us?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
I said Acuminous Edge.
Tell
them what Acuminous means.
Acuminous means to judge something well. Or
To
something
judge
like
something
that.
well. All right.
It's cool.
Oh, man, I can't get over that. Damn, this has got a crispy edge.
The clip is the hardware is bronze.
Yeah.
Wait,
We're going to get some close-ups in 1 second.
Hold on. Flippity flip.
What?
It says...
What?
Hold on, I gotta flip it.
A Marfione Socom Elite.
Does it have a number? Is it like a number one? 10 out of 2007.
It's 10. It's a date.
Oh, that's
10,
a date.
2017.
This is number 10.
This is a Marfione one, which is just, I think it's their most badass ones. And he's like I was saying, he's the man when it comes to these Socoms. He's got so many of them. I don't know anybody else probably than the maker probably who has more than him.
I like
and this is the hollow grind too. I just realized that. Oh my God.
God, they're so different.
This thing, yeah,
they
so
even
different.
sound different.
Oh man, this thing, that stingray is just. I used to have a pet stingray. Fun fact.
You used to have a pet everything.
Yeah, I did have a pet everything. Oh my God, the thing is so awesome. I can't get over this action. Okay,
I like the fish egg.
That was middle finger.
Stingray skin. It literally feels so much better to me than whatever this rubbery is. The only thing is I can tell this is a newer knife because the aluminum feels like it has more of that powdery feel that drives my hands nuts.
It does look like washers, but I bet you it's bearings.
You don't listen
I'm
to
sorry.
me when you have a new knife.
I know. I'm sorry.
You literally, what did I just say?
I have no idea. No idea at all. Not even a clue. I couldn't even tell you what the first word was. What was it, baby? I'm sorry. I got it down. What?
I said that I like this one, or I can tell this one is a newer knife because that aluminum
No, it's not.
Really? Because he told me it was.
You just said 2017.
He
this
said
says
he just
2018. I'm not saying he didn't just.
I know. I'm saying it's a
the
new.
Dates.
Whatever. I'm just saying this knife has been used less than this knife, and I can tell because that powdery. Let me finish my sentence.
Yep.
That powdery feeling on this one is less.
Less?
That one feels so much more.
I think you need to touch it again, baby. This one is less. That one's less. For sure.
No, I don't. This one, no.
Okay, well, I 100% disagree. But what I'm going to say is that he even said, though, this one, he said he's had it in the box. He only used it a couple times. Either way, they both feel amazing. This thing, man, the action is just so much different.
I like the action on
this one.
I like the closing action on that one better, but I like the opening action on this one better.
Really?
Well, this one just has like that clunk clunk.
To me, this thing has like 10 times.
It's just different.
I don't know about 10 times.
I don't know if I like either of the openings better, but I like the closing on that one better for sure.
To me,
it's way more drop shutty. This one has a little bit of resistance.
This is
more of a.
This is the action that I think of when everybody's like, the Socom Elite's the best thumb stud action. This is what I'm expecting right here, because literally, if you guys. I don't know if you guys ever fallen before, but you literally, there's a little ramp right here. You just put your thumb up to the thumb stud and literally just tilt your thumb up. And it's so amazing.
That was kind of slow when you did it.
Oh, I did it slow.
But the last time you did
I did it fast. I was doing it backwards. Anyways, next package. Thank you.
Sure.
By the way, Acuminous Edge.
Yeah, this is really cool.
It's so bad, and this makes such
an
amazing video for us.
I'm not a Microtech person, and I'm very impressed with this one.
This is gonna make such an amazing video. Now here comes this one is from Scott Big Boar Williams on Instagram. He and Acuminous Edge are friends, and we've also became friends with him too on Instagram, and they obviously are, you know, the Microtech Socom guys in the neighborhood. So we he sent us this one so that we could do an awesome video and have them all on here, or not all, but you know, they make so many
comparison.
Right, they make so many different configurations. So it's like if you did one, you basically didn't, you know, you just did one. Hey, don't don't do that.
How does it feel? Show the box.
Okay. All right.
Did you just take a deep breath?
I did. I took a really deep breath. All right. Oh, this one's a green one. This is supposed to be an auto, just so you guys know.
It's supposed to be, or it is?
It is.
Okay.
For sure. This one, it feels different.
Wait, auto or assisted? The whole time I was picturing assisted.
Auto.
I was picturing assisted the whole time.
Oh my God, that thing almost just shot out of my hand. That thing, it felt like the recoil of like a 380 or something. Holy shit!
I feel like I'm gonna really like this one. Can I try it?
Yeah. Wow, the spring
sparkly.
The spring on this thing is the strongest spring I've ever felt in a knife. Holy shit. Oh my God. Don't lose it. Let's put a lanyard on your wrist. Told you. I told you.
Oh my
We got
God.
a really badass video coming up for these two, just so you guys know.
The whole knife goes in my hand after.
I told you to hang on to it.
I did. I made a face at you, but I was holding tight. I don't want to drop someone's knife.
No.
Oh my gosh.
That's a lot of recoil.
Okay, this is fun. This is a
Yeah,
fun
do it with
knife.
your left hand. Yeah, there
Yeah,
you go.
I have much more strength with my...
Lefty.
Well, not more strength. I don't know. I'm weird. I don't even want to get into it. Wow.
I think...
My whole arm goes every time I open it.
Shout out to Bama Knife Guy, Acuminous Edge. I believe, I'm not 100% on this, but I think he's sending him a knife too. So keep an eye out for Bama Knife Guy's video. And it's a really nice one too. If he sends it to him, I'm not 100%, but I think he might be. I think it's with Mokamai on there. Oh my God. He's got so many of them. And you know I'm talking to you because you're watching this. You've got like the most incredible collection of Socom Elites that I've ever seen in my life. I mean, it's insane.
He's even got the... Are you talking about Acuminous?
Yeah.
He's even got the little ones.
I know. He's got them all. Like, if they exist, he's got... Oh, damn.
Should I get some close-ups for these people?
Yeah, let's get some close-ups really quick. And then I just want to say one thing. I know we still have to do this video on the Freeman, but we've been kind of hanging on to it, waiting for these because we want to do the comparison with these two knives, which will be really badass. And yeah, so stay tuned watching for that because we do got to get this back to Sharp Spot. Thank you again for letting us use this. We got a huge video just for this knife, plus we're going to put these two together. Sorry I'm talking so much. Get some close-ups.
All right, this is the Marfione.
Ooh,
look at the sparkle on that stingray.
this one's 2019, baby, just so you know.
It's got this. Is this Damascus or like Damasteel or what? I don't even know.
I haven't read up on it.
It's not the review, but you know, I'm just showing you how it looks.
Look at this thing. It's
The
probably
bronzed hardware. It's beautiful.
Damasteel, but I don't know. It could be just Damascus. Not just, but you know, Damascus.
I like Damascus better. Or I mean Damasteel better.
Well, we don't know.
I don't know what I
which
like.
one it is. Damasteel, I think. I'm not positive. I think Damasteel is like pretty much the best Damascus.
Yeah, that's why I said that. I don't even know why I said that, as if I've had anything Damasteel before. I like it better. Oh, wow, yeah, this is great. All right, let me see the green one. The auto. Please.
Careful. We are going to do a small cut video with the first one we got. Nothing crazy, you guys, but it might get a little crazy because we have been told we are allowed to do a bottle cut. We will definitely have
with the standard Socom, not with the
yeah, not with the custom.
Just Acuminous Edge, rest easy. We are not going to take your custom and start slashing bottles.
No, we're not going to cut anything with it, but we are definitely going to cut a little bit with this one. I haven't cut anything but this piece of paper. That's the first thing I have cut with these knives.
Oh, yeah, we just opened them.
But I'm talking about even the other one he sent.
Oh.
Because he did give us permission to use it, but I'm going to use it very gently. And when we do the bottle thing, we are definitely going to wear lanyards around the wrist. Not that I would ever drop it, but it's not my knife. So we are, how do you say it, baby?
What?
Our number one priority.
Safety is our number one priority.
Man, the action on this custom is...
Yeah, this is a beautiful stonewash on this blade. I really like the button too. It's got a little texture, but like not like in an annoying way.
Did you show him the spine of this knife? I'm sorry.
I did.
The spine?
Well, I can't remember if I only showed the back spacer or the spine, but aren't they the same?
Look at the spine of that. No, look at the spine of that one.
Oh, here. Let's look at the difference. So this is the custom right here, and this is the
auto. Don't clink them together.
I'm not clinking.
Don't clink them.
I didn't clink them. They're in separate hands. Yeah, look at, wow. This is a very cool tip, but you can see take that so I can use my hand here. You can see the intricate work on the on the stock over here on the tip, on the custom, on the Marfione.
I wonder if they have any button lock versions that are not. Oh no, yeah, they could.
Wow, this thing is very sharp. It's very sticky.
Yes.
The edge, that's awesome.
So is this one. This one's actually really sharp too. This one's a flat grind. Yeah, this one's a flat grind, the auto, and then the custom is a hollow, and then the, the stock version.
Did you see that? Well, yeah, I guess.
That's the hollow grind. The stock version is also a flat. So we have all three of these guys. This video is going to be amazing. We have 3 great videos coming up and more. And then we also are going to be doing the future video. The next video, I don't know if it's going to be the next one because we have a video in the mix right now that we're going to be putting up. And we've been trying to get things done. I had my hand hurt and just lots of stuff happened. But anyways,
Big Red.
Within the next couple videos, we are going to be starting that where we take people's knives or pictures of their knives and messages that people leave us and stuff like that, and pretty much bring the people that support our channel involved, you know, with the channel and everything. And that is going to be super awesome. It's going to be super great. She's got the editing down pat. We got some really great videos coming up. Thank you, Cumulus Edge. Thank you, Scott. We really appreciate you guys. And
did you say Big Red?
I wasn't done. Thank you, Big Red. Thanks everybody that's just helped us out and support us. And we got another video just
I just realized.
What?
This goes here.
Oh yeah.
The little thing goes on the thing. He just had it inside to keep it safe.
Yeah, smart.
But it goes there. The
Nice.
Velcro sword. That's a sword, right?
Yeah.
Like an M.
Well, knife, sword, dagger,
sword.
dagger. We do have a video coming up that where we're going to explain everything. We're going to start it, and we're going to do lots of thank yous and everything else. Thank you guys. I think that was everything, right?
Yep.
Yeah.